if I told you a tiny old car could transform into a magical rainbow house for a hamster? Yes, it's real. Stick around because we're about to create something so whimsical, so jaw-droppingly creative, you won't believe your eyes. Welcome back, creative minds. Today we're diving into a world where imagination meets engineering magic. Our mission? To turn a rainbow-colored old car into the most enchanting flower house for a hamster, all made from magnetic balls. But hold on, this isn't just about building. It's about creating a miniature wonderland that'll make your heart skip a beat. Let's jump in. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a hamster's dream world. It's colorful, vibrant, and full of tiny magical details. That's the world we're about to create. And the best part? We're using magnetic balls to bring it to life. These tiny, unassuming spheres are the stars of the show, and they're about to work their magic. The first step in any great transformation is a vision. For this project, the vision is clear. A flower house that's not just beautiful, but also functional. A place where our furry friend can play, rest, and explore. It's a big dream, but with a little creativity and a lot of magnetic balls, anything is possible. We start with the old car. It's small, rusty, and has seen better days. But in its simplicity lies potential. As we begin to cover the car with magnetic balls, you can feel the transformation starting. Each ball clicks into place with a satisfying snap, and the old car begins to disappear beneath a layer of vibrant colors. Layer by layer, the car takes on a new identity. It's no longer just a car. It's the foundation of a magical home. The colors blend together like a rainbow, creating a mesmerizing pattern that's impossible to look away from. Can you guess what we're building first? Hint, it's the base of all great homes. As the magnetic balls come together, the first room begins to take shape. This isn't just any room, it's the heart of the house. Imagine a cozy space with soft lighting, colorful walls, and tiny windows that let in just the right amount of light. You can almost hear the hamster's tiny squeaks of excitement as it explores its new home. But what's a house without a little flair? We're adding a balcony, a tiny colorful perch where our hamster can sit and enjoy the view. It's the perfect spot for daydreaming or just soaking up the sun, and those vibrant colors, they're not just for show, they're creating a rainbow that'll brighten anyone's day. Now comes the fun part, the flower house. This is where the magic really happens. Picture a tiny garden blooming with magnetic ball flowers in every shade you can dream of. Each petal clicks perfectly into place, as if the balls were destined to create this masterpiece. Can you feel the magic? It's like we're building a fairy tale right here, piece by piece. But wait, there's more. We're not just building a house. We're creating a world, a tiny magical world where every detail tells a story. From the colorful walls to the intricate flowers, every element is designed to spark joy and inspire creativity. Here's where things get really exciting. We're adding a rooftop garden. Yes, you heard that right. A rooftop garden. Imagine tiny flowers sprouting from the roof, turning this house into a living, breathing piece of art. It's the kind of detail that makes you go, wow, I need to try this. But we're not stopping there. What if we added a tiny rainbow bridge that connects the house to a mini garden? Yes, a garden. Picture tiny magnetic flowers, a little pond, and even a mini hammock for our hamster to relax in. It's details like these that make this project truly special. The flower house is really coming to life now. Every detail, every color, every tiny addition adds another layer of charm. But it's not just about aesthetics. This house is functional too. Imagine our hamster exploring its new world, running up the ramps, peeking out from its balcony, and curling up in its secret nook. Doesn't that sound like a dream come true for our furry friend? Let's talk about the car itself. Once a forgotten piece of junk, it's now the foundation of a magical home. This transformation is proof that even the most ordinary objects can become extraordinary with a little creativity. And those magnetic balls? They're the real MVPs here. Who knew they could bring so much joy and imagination into one project? And now the moment you've been waiting for, the big reveal. The flower house is complete, the rainbow car is unrecognizable, and our hamster? It's exploring its new home with wide-eyed wonder. From the colorful walls to the intricate details, This creation is nothing short of magical. The tiny details, the vibrant colors, the whimsical design, everything comes together to create a masterpiece that's as functional as it is beautiful. Our hamster now has a home fit for royalty, and we have a project we can be proud of. Who knew a little imagination and some magnetic balls could create something so extraordinary? If you're feeling inspired, why not give it a try? Don't forget to share your creations in the comments. We'd love to see them. And if you enjoyed this magical journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY adventures. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and remember, every masterpiece starts with a single idea. Click on the next video for more incredible DIY creations. Your imagination is the only limit. See you there.